Welcome. In front of me is REALME GT3, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device's face unlock sensor doesn't recognize your face properly. So in such case, what you have to do is set up a new face model for your device. So go to settings, then select the security and privacy settings. Scroll down and select device unlock, then go into the fingerprint and face unlock settings, then select face, and if you have any previous face models set up on your device, then remove them beforehand. And before adding a new face model, let's first make sure that everything is set up properly. So let's wipe the surface of the camera with a dry towel just to make sure that we can clearly see the face in the camera, and also make sure that the lights are set up properly in your room for the same reason. Now click add now when you're ready, and proceed by adding a new face model for your device. Okay, at this point click down. You can set up these settings for yourself. And before we proceed, let's first go back to the settings, select the system and update settings, go to the software update and check for the updates, and if there are any firmware updates, install them and restart your device afterwards, just to make sure that that your hardware is in touch with your software. And if you're sure, let's restart the phone just to make sure that all the changes applied. So hold down the power button and the volume up keys together, select restart, and wait for the device to be restarted. Okay, so right now unlock your device, and let's try to unlock it using the face. Okay, and at the second attempt everything went smoothly for me. I think that probably the microphone covered my face in the first try, so I hope that everything went smoothly for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.